I get this question all the time. Devin, should a faceless explainer reveal the full framework early or unfold it step by step for retention? Short answer, reveal the map early, but not the full lesson early. That's the balance most creators miss. If viewers don't understand the shape of the video, in the first 15 to 30 seconds, retention drops because they feel lost. But if you explain the entire framework up front, you remove the reason to keep watching. So here's the rule. Show the structure early, earn the insight gradually. A simple way to do it is this. First, open with the outcome and the framework skeleton. For example, there are 3 reasons this works, and the third is the one most channels get wrong. Second, spend the middle of the video unpacking each part one at a time. Don't just define it. Give the mistake, the example, and the payoff. Third, close by recombining the framework into a decision rule or checklist. That makes the video feel complete instead of just sequential. Here's the test. If someone stops at 20 seconds, they should know where the video is going. But they should not feel like they already got the whole answer. For faceless explainers, clarity usually beats mystery. Curiosity should come from how the framework works in practice, not from hiding what the video is about. If you want to standardize that scripting flow across a content pipeline, Satura is useful as the workflow layer. That's the move. Map early, detail later.